you guys, so we're almost there. I texted my boy, you know, that I was gonna be a few minutes late, but look at this, guys. Sheesh. Yo! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is going to be a very exciting video slash vlog, but as y'all see, like always, we have the 5.0 dirty, usual stuff. But today we're going to be starting the vlog off with fixing this little thing. Hopefully the camera picks it up. As you guys see, the nail is kind of short, so I'm gonna have to put like a bigger nail and then drill it on, because I mean, it's not coming off, but you know, just to be safe. But today's vlog, as you guys are gonna see, my boy actually hit me up saying that they're gonna go for a cruise, him and his friends, and he said it's gonna be kind of big. Honestly, it does not matter for me if there's only like 2 people, if it's just me and him, honestly, because like there's like nothing to do at the house. So hey, I'm just happy my boy texted me, you know, and said like, hey, slide through. So that's what we gonna do. So first, start off the vlog, we're gonna do this like I said, and then we're gonna give her a wash, because yo, can y'all see that? Like, look at this. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but anyways, like, we have to clean the car, guys. You guys see how dirty the car is. She looks good though, she looks good, so that's the good thing. Yeah, that's what we're gonna start off. And hey, your boy did get a fresh cut, so now I'm not wearing hats, but probably next week I will start wearing hats again because it's gonna grow. But hey, let's start off the vlog right. All right, you guys, she's all done. Now let's start with the wash. What's your theory? Car is clean and we are set. One of my boys just Snapchatted me right now. He's already driving there, so I still need a shower. Well, not probably shower, or maybe just change, drive all the way over there and see how it goes. So we are kind of behind schedule, but hey, it's good. So, and just like that, watch, we'll go from this to like that, guys. We changed, so car is warming up right now. Boy texted me like I said, so we're gonna be on our way and I'll pick you guys up when we get there. Peace. All right, you guys, so we're almost there. I texted my boy, you know, that I was gonna be a few minutes late, but we made it. We're almost here. I have my phone right there with the GPS, and it says that we should be there in 6 minutes. So let's just hope that they haven't left yet. I'm pretty sure they haven't, but yeah, we're almost here, so let's go. Dude, everybody's rolling out, so made it. Everybody's ready. Your boy pulled up a little late, but let's go. Guys, this is honestly pretty dope. There's a lot of cars. Damn. Okay. We got stings on stings today. Yup, that's one of the other boys right there. Woo! Yeah, guys, so we have a pretty good lineup. Like I said, I did pull up a little late, but hey, let's see how this goes right now. Sorry guys for the wind noise and the wind noise picking up, but the camera is not picking up, but we have the whole lineup all the way over there. Okay. This is lit, guys. This is lit. Hopefully this video comes out pretty cool. So far it seems pretty damn fun. So let's see. Look at this, guys. Jeez. Yo. Alright, you guys, we got a tunnel blast coming. See how this goes. Woo! Man, this feels so good right now, guys. Woo! What a better way to spend a nice, beautiful Saturday. I think we're almost pulling up to the spot. I couldn't record all the way because the roads were like super small, and then they were going pretty quick, so I was like, gotta have both hands on the wheel. Guys, I haven't had this much fun in so long. Look at this dude's such a fool, bro. That's my boy. Yep, I think we're here. Guys, we made it.
You guys must have been like rubber banding back and forth. We were doing chill. Destroyed this lady's ears and she like got mad. Oh damn it.
Dude, your thing be screaming, bro. Your thing screams, dude. Oh man.
Right behind me. What the fuck? I see good. I'm like,
yeah. This is a dope spot though.
we should keep going down the road.
Okay.
Who wants to win?
Damn.
No, it's fine. Oh, your car hella.
Bro, you're going crazy on the road. My boy was going like this the whole time. Dude.
That's awesome.
This was so fun, bro.
Yeah, we gotta
dude,
switch out that
this was... Bro, you guys made a move. Hey, I didn't say anything, bro. I didn't say it. Guys, it really made a move. That's so funny. Shit. Look at this lineup, guys. guys, this is crazy. Look at this. Oh, yep. Look who finally showed up.
Only he could park with us.
He could if we.
Look who showed up, bro. Did you get my directions of what I told you? What's going on, bro?
Hey, Dylan,
Dude, I know, me too.
Okay, you sure?
Jeez.
Hey, Dylan.
It is, boy. Oh. Wow, now.
These guys are not going to be able.
Oh.
These guys are not going to be able.
Look at him.
Just go straight back where you're at.
I'm scared he's gonna rev it, dude, on purpose. Like I don't want to be behind him.
Let's see if we can keep our gears cool. Get a carbon deck lit like that.
That looks so nice. I thought he was gonna rev it. That's why I was like.
I know. I have those concussion syndrome too, so I'm like,
Oh, shocking. Sounds good though.
He bought it like that too.
That's crazy. Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's dope.
They got repoed and then he bought it.
Oh shit, that's dope. I'm about to go deaf. Oh
Imagine that
shit.
parking garage.
Oh shit.
Sounds like I need an
Dude, oh my, that makes mine sound like not loud at all. Bro, I thought that was really a cop, bro. When we were leaving, I thought that was really a cop. I was like, oh damn. This is dope. This is dope.
What?
Yeah, they're good.
Yes, sir. Speedy S550.
Yeah, you can.
All right, you guys. Well, we lost half of the pack. Don't know where they went, but I think we give them the Addy. So right now we're going to like a different address in Mexico and see what we do. But as y'all can see, I'm with Beamer, the boy and his 5.0, and then another 5.0. So far, guys, it's been so lit. It literally feels like a rally. I don't know. We had like so many cars, but yeah, my boy's just filling up right now. And other than that, we should be set. See whoever pulls up over there, and let's see what we can do. Look at this dude. Taking pictures in the middle of the road. Yeah! These are hilarious. All right, you guys, so came to another spot. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Got the sunset.
Yeah, the front end.
Look at this, guys. We got all the Mustangs lined up, and then we got a Hellcat in the back. Guys, today's been so fun just driving around with the boys. Honestly, this could have been any better way to spend the Saturday, honestly. Like, I didn't even expect none of this, but I'm so happy I did come out. This is so lit. Like how we all have the Mustangs right here and the Hellcats just in the back, like, eh, you know. But this is so dope, guys. All right, you guys, so we are back home today. The 5-0 did amazing with everybody else. It was super fun. I don't think I've had fun like that in such a long time. Going through all those trails and everything was just so fun, guys. I hope I did get good footage. I hope it does come out good. I hope I am able to edit this pretty good. But guys, she did amazing. You know, she's been running all day. I was late to like where they were meeting up, so she's been running since, like, I don't know, she's been running for a while now. So good thing we're done for the day. You know, she's gonna cool off, so she should be good. But I will try to edit this so it can come out the best I can. But guys, I had such an amazing time, you know, and today was just so fun. I'm so happy that I got invited out. Shout out to my boy, and shout out to all the boys there. Like, they were so cool. Everybody was friendly, met new people, and it's just crazy how, like, one car in the car community can, like, make you so many new friends. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't know none of those people there except for like 2 people, and I met so many more and became friends with so many more, and it's just crazy. So shout out to this car for everything. But yeah, guys, so fun today. If you guys are still watching, make sure to leave a fat like, comment anything you guys want to see, subscribe, join the fam for more content like this, more vlogging, whatever I decide to do, and hope you guys find some sort of entertainment from it. But yeah, like I said, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, join the fam, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.